everyone, how are you doing? Alright, my name is Fangwen. I am a Cameroonian, but I based here in Washington State, USA. I am a digital business mentor, so I help other people like me who don't know how they can start their own online business. So I assist them in doing that. So today I just want to talk a little bit to encourage someone out there. You that you are listening to me, I want to encourage you. So sometimes all it takes is one step, just one step in a new direction. Why? To change your own life. So I've discovered a flexible, rewarding business that fits perfectly around my own schedule. So it gives me room to grow, to connect, and make a real impact, all from the comfort of my home or alongside while I'm doing my own work. I can do it while I'm on vacation. I can do it anywhere in the world. So that's why I said this business that's giving me flexibility. So just a background, imagine a business where you don't have to start from scratch and you have supporters, people that are there to support you all the way to the very end. More to that, we have like a built-in tools and they are amazing, and we also have a great and amazing community that's going to help you to have a pathway to success. So this journey has shown me that flexibility is not just possible, it is life-changing. If you are ready to explore something new that gives you the freedom to work on your own terms. You don't need boss to be around to tell you what to do. Let us connect. Okay, let's connect. If you are really interested, comment interested or send me a message. Let's chat about what's possible for you. Thank you for listening, and may God bless you.